Hello, it's me. I'm back in my craft room, my newly organized craft room. I'm so happy. Everything is just about the way I want it. I have one more thing I have to do. Let's organize all my scraps, which are kind of everywhere. The floor and in a container here, but everything's nice in here. I took out some stamps that I had in these bottom drawers and put in some little swatches of fabric. Let's see if I can show y'all. I have these very soft pieces of denim and some little pink satin, and then over here I have some linen and some cheeseclothy looking stuff and some roll of cotton shirt that I made into strips. And coming over here, all of that fabric is now in this little place here, all organized, lovely rolls that go on forever, seem like. But a lot less space, tons less space. This took up maybe 2 feet and 2 feet down and 2 feet across. That's it. And then over here is all my books that I get pictures from, and my books that I get pages from, and cardstock. And then over here is my scraps of lace and doilies and fabric. It's all pale colors, and really happy about that. And then down there is my other one. Just has odds and ends, and zippers, and different things. And I put these fabric swatches here in my little paper dress to decorate the area. Oh, and I have all kinds of stuff. Odds and ends somebody gave me. Just odds and ends I collect. Oh my goodness. And that accordion file thing, I fixed it today, where I can pull it out and all my ephemera that I've made is in here and organized. Backwards. Little tabs on here telling me what is, tags and journal cards and all that. And if you haven't seen this before, hold on, I think it got stuck. I'll just pull it out here. Okay. I use these pizza boxes for my large cardstock that I'm gonna have these pickle jars that have some more of my stuff in them. One of these huge manga stuff has some more cardstock that was given to me, different papers, just little ones, the big ones, and all kinds of stuff. But I got it all pretty much organized now. Yay. And I'm happy. So, hope you have got some ideas. These are metal little holders that you could put papers in, so I did. I've got down here at the bottom one, I have a bunch of ledger paper So, oh, and then I have the project thing going here with a bunch of old curtains that I'm going to fix. So, oh yeah, and here I have these little, forget, rosettes, I think that's what they're called. And down here I have a whole bunch of flowers that I took off. They were in a big bag, so I took most of the stem off so I can use them when I see something it goes good with. And then I kept the leaves in another one in the back. All the leaves, because you can sew leaves on the books and they look really cool. So that's all of that. See you next time.